Hello and welcome back to the Maschinenmarkt video channels at Hannover Messe. And we are now at the booth of Phoenix Contact. Phoenix Contact is a company that actively promotes the transformation to an all-electric society. And it is also celebrating its 100th anniversary this year. And I'm very happy to be here and to be speaking with Mr. Stührenberg, the CEO of Phoenix Contact. Hello, Mr. Stührenberg. Happy to see you again.
Yeah, same here. Thank you for being here at the Hannover Fair and visiting the Phoenix Contact booth.
And as you know that our audience are all from China, and can you say hello to our Chinese audience?
Yes, of course. Hello to all the friends in China. And it was very nice for me to see that this year, after 4 years, we could see many visitors from China again here in Hannover. And that is, yes, it's a pleasure for all of us that we have these personal contacts back again.
And I saw here full of people. And what highlight of the booths can we, as visitors, expect to see this year? And what is the differences of these booths this year compared to last year?
Yes, as you might know, we have focused our business model and strategy all around the topic of empowering the all-electric society. So what does it mean? We want to empower that there is as much renewable energy as possible, then that we can distribute it in the best possible way. We need smart grids and we need a maximum of energy efficiency. These three areas are the main topics of the business model of Phoenix Contact these days. And of course our exhibition here in Hanover goes exactly around these topics. So how can we, for example, with a more intelligent new controller for charging systems, support the all-electric society? How can we, for example, with a new 5G cybersecurity router, yes, help to get the networking, the sector coupling in an all-electric society faster? So these kind of topics are the key areas that we are displaying here.
That's very cool, and I'm eager to see all these products and solutions at your booth.
Welcome.
Yeah? And as we know that this year's exhibition's topic are, for example, sustainability, digitalizations. How is Phoenix Contact presenting these two topics this year at your booth? And how do you view these two trends?
So first of all, we fully agree with the Hannover Fair that digital technologies are a key enabler for a sustainable development. For example, in our area where it is all about factory automation. That is efficiency technology. You know, we need to make our factory processes more efficient in terms of energy consumption, but also in terms of resource consumption. That's a key element of the all-electric society. It's not about renewable energies only, it's also about efficiency. But that needs data, process data, from all areas in the factory. So what we are showing here are new types of controllers that allowing us even existing equipment, for example, to include into the network, the IoT network in the factory, to make this data available that is helping to increase efficiency and reduce the waste of resources. That is, for example, one area where digital and sustainable is going together. Or, for example, if we are displaying a new controller for charging systems, that is connecting the charging system with the building automation as well as with a smart grid. That's exactly this connectivity, this networking competence that we need to help to get a very fast development towards a more sustainable world.
Wow. That sounds very cool. And as far as I know, that this year marks the 100th anniversary for the Phoenix Contacts Groups, and it's also the 30th anniversary for the Phoenix Contacts China. And how do you view the further or future development of the Chinese market? And do you also want to continue to invest your market presence in the Chinese market? And how is your strategy for this market?
Yes, I can even add a further jubilee. It is the 70th, 70, jubilee here on Hannover Fair. So since 70 years our company is producing innovations that are displayed here in Hanover. So that shows we always have a long-term vision. We always have long-term plans for continuous growth. And that's also valid for China. So we, just before the pandemic, fortunately, we could finish our biggest factory enlargement in Nanjing. The next big project that is ahead of us is a new, we call it factory or even competence center for e-mobility. There will be a new investment, but we want to be a really strong and serious part of the Chinese EV industry on both sides, in the car as an OEM supplier, but also on the charging side. And we fully understand that needs a high level of local content, not only in production, but also in design, in R&D. So that is exactly what we are preparing for, and that will be our next big investment in China. So I'm hoping for the next years. This is the 30th Jubilee. So whenever we have the 40th anniversary in China, China will have an even more important role and place in the Phoenix Contact Group. So thanks to the support of all our friends, customers and partners in China. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time to speaking with us and also telling us so much insights about your companies and also your understanding of this industry. Thank you so much again, and happy to see you again, and hope to see you in soon.
Yes.
In future.
Yeah. Thank you for having me. Always a pleasure, and bye-bye to China.